Steganography is the practice of hiding a message within another medium, such as an image, so that it is not detectable to the unaided eye. This technique has been used for centuries, evolving from ancient methods of hiding messages in wax tablets to modern digital applications. Today, we'll demonstrate how you can use a digital tool to embed a message in an image, and then extract it using a decryption process. In this demonstration, we'll use a digital steganography tool to hide a secret message within an image. Let's begin by selecting an image. Here, we have the famous Mona Lisa. Next, we enter the message we want to hide in the image. For instance, this is a hidden message using steganography. After entering the text, we click Encrypt, triggering the program to encode the text into binary format, and subtly modify the pixel values of the image. These changes are so slight that they remain undetectable to the naked eye. Once the encryption is complete, we can download the modified image. Although the content has been altered at the pixel level, visually the Mona Lisa looks exactly the same. This is the power of steganography, information hidden in plain sight. Now, let's extract the hidden message from the encrypted image. To do this, we upload the image into the decryption tool. The tool analyzes the image, identifies the embedded binary data, and converts it back into the original message. Let's see what it reveals. As you can see, the hidden message is successfully extracted. This is a hidden message using steganography. The message is now readable again, demonstrating how steganography allows us to securely hide and retrieve information. The term steganography originates from the Greek words steganos, covered, and grapho, writing. Historically, steganography was used to hide messages in plain sight, like engraving messages under the wax of tablets in ancient Greece or writing with invisible ink in ancient Rome. Over time, it evolved as a tool for espionage and security, becoming more sophisticated in the 20th century, especially during World War II and in the digital age.